Watch this video and learn how to draw a six-legged ant.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. You seem to be in a good mood.
Yeah.
Are you ready to make some art?
What we draw today?
What are we going to draw?
Yeah.
We're going to draw an ant.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
You really like ants.
Yeah.
You like to look at ants in the yard.
Artie loves.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Are you ready to begin, Artie? Artie. Artie, are you ready to begin? Let's start drawing our ant. This is going to be fun.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper.
Betty, think of all the possibilities.
Let's start drawing an eye towards the top of the page in the center. We'll draw an oval-shaped eye. Now draw a smaller oval shape inside and colour it in black. Perfect. Now let's draw another eye beside that one on the right. Don't forget the smaller oval. Now he can see us, but I think he needs a head.
Okay.
We're going to draw a large circle all the way around the eyes, but let's leave the bottom of the circle open. It's harder to draw a larger circle in one go, so you can do it in sections. The left first, then the top, then the right side. How about a nice smiley mouth, Artie? Why don't we add a tongue sticking out?
Art makes me so happy, Mikey!
Me too, Betty.
Ants have 3 body sections. Let's start with the top section of the body, kind of the neck if you like. Now let's draw the middle section of the body. If Artie's drawing a little too quickly for you, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw the biggest section of the body. We're going to draw a sort of upside-down teardrop shape, but leave a little space for one of his legs to go through. That's it. He has 3 sections to his body. Let's draw 2 antennae sticking out of the top of the ant's head. Draw sort of 2 upside-down legs. That'll work perfectly. Now the left one.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but it sure looks good.
It really does, Mikey!
Let's draw some hairs sticking out the top of his head. Let's add an arm with a hand on the end. Of course, ants don't really have arms and hands, but this is a cartoon, so we can do anything we want.
Yeah.
I suppose we should give him a left arm and hand. This is a funny looking ant, Artie.
Yeah.
It looks like he's waving at us.
Mikey Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
You know what? I think we should draw 2 more arms and hands.
Yeah.
Why not, right? There's no rules. Now it looks like he's waving at us twice with 4 hands. Great job, Artie. Joke break?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a joke break.
Hey, welcome back to your favorite part of the show. Here I am again, Mikey Marker, with another joke break. So, what's a banana's favorite way to say thank you? Thanks a bunch. What's an apple's favorite way to fly? Fruit fly.
I love a good joke break.
Why did the peach buy deodorant? To freshen up its pits.
Oh, Mikey. Peach don't wear deodorant. That's very silly. Okay, Artie, let's carry on drawing our ant. Are you ready?
Okay.
Now it's time to start drawing our 6 legs. 2 lines down for a nice skinny leg. And then let's draw a shoe on the end.
Shoe.
Yes, ants can wear shoes, Artie. Oh, that's a nice big cartoon-style shoe, Artie. Very good. Don't forget the laces.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
Let's draw the second leg. And don't forget the shoe. Time for leg number 3. You should be a bit of an expert by now, Artie. All this practice drawing these legs and these cartoon shoes. Remember that gap we left in the body earlier? Now we're going to draw a leg coming through that gap. That's it, Artie. Perfect. Don't forget the shoe. This one can point in the other direction. Our ant has so many legs, he doesn't know if he's coming or going.
How clever.
Sure is.
Let's draw a shorter leg coming out the back part of his body. Another shoe, of course. That's 5 legs. Do you think we should do another one, Artie? Why not? Ants have 6 legs after all. It must be very expensive every time this ant needs a new pair of shoes. Well, new pairs of shoes. All right, I think he might be finished, Artie. You're finished? He looks really good. He took a lot of patience with all those legs.
It's time to color in.
You're finished. He came out really good, Artie. And I love the colours you chose. You gave him a peach body and bright red shoes.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day!
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.